Hi guys, another little 3D printing fail and another test for my new Samsung Galaxy phone, whatever it is, A51 or something. Yeah, this was going pretty well, I think. It should be standing up like that, and this deformed bit at the top should be a little sort of cup shape because it's a little catapult. And the idea is you would push that down, this bit would twist, building up tension, and then when it gets down to there, it would click under that bit just there and hold it in position. And then to launch it, well, you put a little ball or something in the cup, and then to launch it, you'd push that back, and that would flick up. But I think what happened was when it got to that height there, it must have pulled a bit too much on it as it was moving around, and it just snapped straight through there. Now I was printing it on, I can't remember what level of fill it was, but whether it would have been any better at 100% fill, I don't know. Regardless of that, that one failed. Which is a shame, because it looked like it was quite fun.
Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.